Hello, friends. Welcome to Academic Heights. Learn from home. Why Academic Heights? For clarity, for concepts, for code, for competency. Overall, your turning point starts here. I am ready to teach you. Are you ready to learn? So, discussing 6.3 exercise. Before we do this exercise, we have to talk about criteria for similarity of triangles. So most of the students they have a misconception in congruency criteria as well as similar criteria. Why? Because of congruency criteria we have 5. Similar criteria we have only 3. Some names are same, some are different. So first let us discuss congruency criteria first of all. We have SSS criteria. If 3 sides are respectively equal in the both the triangles, then the true triangles are congruent. SAS criteria. 2 sides and included angle respectively equal in the both the triangles, then the two triangles are congruent. ASA criteria. 2 angles and included sides respectively equal in the both the triangles, then two triangles are congruent. RHS criteria. Hypotenuse and one side respectively equal in a right angle triangles, then the two triangles are congruent triangles. We have one special case, AAS also, angle side criteria also. So this is all about criteria about congruency criteria. Come to the similar criteria. We have only 3 criteria. One is angle criteria. One is SSS criteria. Other one is SAS criteria. 2 sides and included angle respectively equal to 2 sides and included angle in other triangle, then the two triangles are similar triangles. So don't be confused here. In congruency we have 5 types of criteria. In similar we have 3 types of criteria. One is very popular one, AAA, if not AA criteria. So this is very popular. Second one is SAS. In both sides angle is included between them. So this criteria is also very important. The other one is SSS criteria, also very important in similar triangles. So based on this, let's see these statements. You can read out and note down these criteria. We have AAA similarity as well as AA similarity. Actually both are same. In a triangle, if 2 angles are equal to 2 angles of other triangle, the third angle is automatically it is equal. So that AAA criteria as well as AA similarity both are same. Next, SSS similarity. If I read the statement, if in 2 triangles corresponding sides are in the same ratio, then the corresponding angles are equal and hence triangles are similar. What about last criteria, SAS similarity criterion? If one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of another triangle and the sides including these angles are in the same ratio, if not proportional, then the triangles are similar. So these are all three criteria we have. Let us see first one also. If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Hence, the two triangles are similar. Similarly, AA criterion also. So this is all about three things about similar triangles and criterions. Let us see the question now in 6.3. What he is asking, state which pair of triangles in the figure 6.34 are similar. Write the similarity criterion used by for answering the question, and also write the pair of similar triangles in the symbolic way. So let us see the 6.3 question now. In the first question, clearly angle A and angle P are equal. Angle B and angle Q are equal, 80-80. Angle C is 40, angle R is also 40. Clearly, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So these two triangles are similar. So we can write S, this is S. These two triangles are similar. By which criteria? This is about angle, angle, angle criteria. So this is about the first problem. It's very easy to identify that AA similarity. Let us see in the second question. If the sides are, all sides are in proportion. So 2 is twice here, 2.5 is twice here, and 3 is also twice here. So each and every side is proportional here. So clearly triangle ABC is similar to, here the order is very important. The order. So triangle QRP triangle. So once again let us check it. AB is 2 here. AB is 2 centimeters. What about QR? QR is 4 centimeters. Yes, it is matching. BC is 2.5. What about RP? It is 5. It is matching here. And last but not least, what about AC? AC is 3 centimeters here. And what about QP? QP is 6 centimeters here. So clearly these two triangles are similar. By which criteria? This is SSS criteria. So by SSS criteria, these two triangles are similar. We can write this one also as. Come to the sixth one. If in a triangle, if two angles are given, can't you find out the third angle? Why? Because of the sum of the angles is 180. 70 plus 80 plus the third angle, I am taking it as X. All the together, it is 180 degrees. So X is clearly 180 minus 150. It is clearly 30 degree. So the missing angle in the DEF, this is 30 degree. Similarly, in the second triangle, PQR triangle, he has given two angles, 80 and 30. So I will find out the third angle. So 80 plus 30 plus something, I will take it as Y, is equal to 180. So what is that Y? Y is equal to 180 minus 110. 180 minus 110, clearly that is 70 degree. The missing angle is 70 degree. Now, look at which criteria will fit here. So 70 and 70 is equal. Angle D and angle P angles are equal. Angle E and angle Q angles are equal, 80-80. And angle F and angle R is also equal. Clearly angle DEF is similar to triangle PQR. So PQR, you can cross check like this. Angle D and angle P angles are equal. Angle E and angle Q angles are equal. Angle F and angle R is also equal. So these are similar triangles. By which criteria? Again, this is by angle criteria. Angle criteria. So this is about the sixth sum. The remaining parts we'll see now. So up to here, first question and second question and last question we got it as S. Why? Because of these are all in similarity. Next, we'll talk about the remaining three questions. So we have total three criteria here: angle similarity, as well as side similarity, as well as side similarity. So based on these three criteria, we can divide whether these are similar or not. Already we have discussed the first, second and last questions. So this obeys AA criteria and SSS criteria and AA criteria. Come to the third one. So he is talking about all sides. He has given all the sides here, whether these sides are proportional or not. So this 2 is twice here and this 3 is also twice here. So what about the third side? So 2.7 twice of this one is 5. Is it 5? No, it's not 5. 2.7 twice is 5.4. So this is not in proportion. This only one side is not in proportion. So that these two triangles are not at all similarity. These are not similar triangles. What about the fourth one? Here it is in between two sides. He has given included angle 70. Is it okay? Here 5 becomes 10 and 2.5 becomes 6 and it is 70. So included angle is equal. It's okay. Included angle is equal here. One side is proportional. The 5 becomes 10 here. It is okay. 2 times we have. What about this 2.5? 2.5 twice it should be 2.5 into 2. It should be 5 here, but he has given 6 here. So none of this criterion it is following. It is not following SAS criteria. So these two triangles are not similar. These are not similar triangles. What about fifth one? In the first figure, he has given in these two sides and one of the angle is 80. In the second triangle, between two sides, he has given included angle is 80. So we should get included angle here. In the second triangle, it is clearly in between two sides we have included angle, but here the sides are proportional only. 2.5 becomes 5 here, 3 becomes 6 here. The sides are proportional here. But what about included angle? At A he has given 80, not given at B as 80. So that the none of the criterion it follows. So that these are not congruent. These are not similar figures. No.